everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a Halloween card to make with the holidays made easy, and I'm using my Easy Wonder die number 2, which I love, and I'm also using Not Too Shabby Shop products. So this paper pad is the Meowoween, which I love. I've only used it once, I believe, so I have to make another Halloween card because I should, right? I should get more Halloween cards out. It's coming up, and yeah, the days are just going. So I love this paper pad because you get cut aparts in it. So great. Thank you, Jamie. And I always love when there's bonus cut aparts or sentiments. That is just so awesome for a paper pad. So, and I love the card fronts too. Those always have something extra. So I love these patterns, and if you haven't tried paper from the Not Too Shabby Shop, you should, because it's just really great quality. I love it. I hoard it. So now is some ephemera. This is Not Too Shabby Shop, and it's cute Halloween coffee, and oh my gosh, I am in love with every single ephemera piece in this set. Look at even that faux glitter heart. Excuse me. And you get a balloon, and you just get so much of every design there. So I love it. So this is the Easy Wonder die number 2 by Lynn LV Handcrafted in the Not Too Shabby Shop, and you could get it at the Not Too Shabby Shop, and I will have my affiliate links down below. And so I love that you could just run a 6x6 paper through your die cutting machine and get so many pieces. And I'm going to use some acetate from Hero Arts for this window. And I'm going to make a shaker card. And I'm going to use some thin foam tape from my stash. And you can die cut this out a few times. Usually I like to do that, but I didn't want to run 6 or more pieces of paper through my die cutting machine right now, but I could be doing that later on because I like to use die cuts more than foam tape. I don't know. I still need to try Pear Blossom Press foam tape, but yeah. I am using some shaker bits from my stash. These looked like they matched in color, and I'm just going to take out a few big pieces. It's some skulls there, and I didn't think I needed that many. So I am just going to take, I used like a static tool, and then I just took off my release tape and pressed it down really good. Used my bone folder also, and yay, my shaker card is done. So really easy this time. I love making easy shaker cards. And I had easy products like the Easy Wonder dies, and I have ephemera and paper, so yay, no coloring or cutting out anything with my scissors, or yeah, so I think I just used my paper trimmer for the sentiment, and the sentiment is great too because it comes from the A2 card fronts this month, so those were some bonus sentiments. And so the hard part here was just choosing which ephemera pieces I wanted, and I found these ones with orange in them, and I do love that one. The kitty and the pumpkin is my favorite. So here is what I'm going to go with, and then here are those sentiments, and I just love these card fronts. And so I am just going to glue my card to my A2 card base, and it's heavyweight, 110 pounds, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I'm just going to add my sentiment and my ephemera pieces, and this card is so easy and done, and I'm so glad that I had all these products. And if you have the easy wonder dies, share in the Facebook group. We love to see what you create. And thank you for joining me today. I had so much fun making this card with you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That would be great. So just adding everything with my liquid glue. I didn't use any more foam tape because my shaker is kind of already dimensional anyways. And I am just going to add the last thing is my candy corn and my pumpkin. So yay, I should have made 2 cards. I will have to make another card for sure. And so I'm just going to share a close-up. So thank you and have a wonderful day.